think there were a few stages for it. When I was much younger, my dad really pampered me with all the remote control cars and vehicles, but it wasn't forced on me. It's something I really enjoyed playing with. And to some point, I started wondering, how they related to each other. Also because I crashed one of the cars, but it was something that was a growing interest in me when I was much younger. So I really liked robots from then. And when I went to secondary school, I was thinking, I had the three main science subjects: physics, chemistry, and bio. I didn't do badly in chemistry and bio, but it wasn't something I wanted to do for the rest of my life. And engineering is something that gives me flexibility when I look for maybe work next time. So it's something I wanted to pursue in. And also because my sister was in chemical engineering, so engineering was definitely one of the top options for me. I had a lot of memorable experiences. I think one of it that you probably hear more often is the cookie can project. Actually, it was during our FYP term where me and my group mates had this extra project that we were working with in collaboration with SUTD. And the thing is, we had our electrical parts kind of figured out. We had our program, our application that we wanted to use. The only thing missing was the mechanical design. And to make the mechanical design, the cover of it, is actually quite expensive, and you need to test out your electrical parts first before you can build it, so that you don't waste the money. And after that, we had this cookie can, and we were talking, why don't we just use the cookie can? At first it started as a joke. We were like, yeah, why don't you use it, sort of thing. And by the time we were in lecture, during your class, we were kind of like thinking, we were still thinking about the problem, like how do we actually try out all the electrical and application of it. And we kind of thought, why not use the cookie can? A lot of people will tell you, like, nothing is impossible as long as you put your mind to it. But for us, when you actually build something that at the back of your mind you feel that it's kind of impossible, and you realize it's possible later on, you really feel like there really is nothing you can't do. And that was one of the most memorable experiences, because after lecture we rushed back, we started drilling holes in the cookie can, and then we placed the motors, and then basically in like a short few hours we were driving a cookie can around lab, and it was a very memorable moment for us in SP. I think engineering gives you a different perspective on things. When I first did my digital electronic module, we had this project where you have to basically draw AND NOT gates and basically come up with a digital display. And even now when I go into the lift and I see the display, it gives you a whole new meaning to how things work. And I think if you appreciate that sort of perspective in life, then engineering is definitely something they should pursue in.